guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel SweetTechPlanet. Today I'm back with another food recipe. We're going to be making goat curry. This is a spicy Indian curry that can be cooked with any meat of your choice and enjoyed with roti, naan, bread, or rice. Actually, this recipe has two recipes in it. So, let's get started. So, for the first part, you will need 1 diced onion, 3 star anise, 3 cinnamon sticks, 5 to 6 bay leaves, 1 spoon black pepper, 7 to 8 green cardamom, 10 to 12 cloves, and 2 tablespoons ginger garlic coriander paste. Look in the description on how to make that. We'll also need 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon coriander cumin powder. So for the second part, you need 2 medium finely chopped onions, 12 instant curry cubes, video link in description on how to make those, 1 cup chopped coriander, 3 to 4 chopped tomatoes, and 2 tablespoons ginger garlic coriander paste. Also, 2 spoons Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 spoon turmeric powder, 2 spoons homemade masala powder or mutton masala powder, and coriander cumin powder. Finally, 5 pounds of goat meat or any other meat of your choice. So first, get a big pot and heat 7 to 8 spoons of peanut oil. For the first part, we'll be using the first set of ingredients. Once the oil is heated up, add the dry spices and stir them. Then add the chopped onions and some salt so the onion loses its moisture and it cooks quickly. After that, add your ginger garlic coriander paste and mix it well again. Then add the turmeric powder, cumin coriander powder, and some more salt. Finally, slowly add the meat portion by portion and stir well. After all the spices have evenly coated the meat, add 3 to 4 cups of water and stir it well again. Then put the lid on and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the meat is tender. Now, the first part is ready and you have a healthy soup ready to drink. This soup is very useful in winter or when you're sick. Now, let's start the second and main recipe. Take another large pot and heat another 7 to 8 spoons of oil. Add the chopped onions and mix it well. Then add salt to speed up the cooking process. Add the instant curry cubes that have now turned into a paste and mix it. Once all the water has evaporated, add the ginger garlic coriander paste. When you start to see oil forming at the edges, add the tomatoes and stir it. Once the tomatoes are well cooked, add all your powdered spices. Mix it well and then add your salt. Then keep mixing until you see oil forming at the edges again. Now add some water to cook the masala and stir it once more. Then when it starts to bubble, add the meat we cooked earlier and mix it slowly. You can add more water to adjust the consistency as per your liking. Wait until it starts to bubble and then add your chopped coriander for garnish. And ta-da! Your delicious goat curry is ready to eat.